Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Suzuki Motorhome is a small campervan that is perfect for weekend getaways, adventure, and the van life way of life. Efficiency, clever use of available space, and contemporary characteristics are the main points of emphasis. Individuals or couples searching for a useful and reasonably priced recreational vehicle are the main target market. Important attributes: its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to maneuver in both off-road and urban environments, perfect for remote exploration and long-distance travel. Optimized interior, smart storage, and a sleeping area that can be converted to make the most of available space. Basic appliances are included in the kitchenette, layout that is both practical and comfortable. For traveling, fuel efficiency to cut pollution and operating expenses. Consider hybrid or electric engine alternatives, ideal for eco-friendly excursions and long-distance travel. A touchscreen infotainment system is an example of modern technology. Sophisticated safety features. An off-grid option is a solar panel. Extra factors: this car is aimed for the budget camper sector, which consists of reasonably priced camper cars. Couples or lone travelers will love this car. Many claim that the Suzuki Carry served as the model for this car. Interior modularity: systems of wall and floor rails enable variety of interior layouts. Rear seats that are detachable and adjustable in position. Sleeping platform with a cozy mattress and a place to store things underneath. Superior fuel efficiency: for maximum fuel efficiency, a 1.5L hybrid engine and electric motor are paired. Low fuel usage is estimated, making it appropriate for long-distance driving. Integrated technology: a smartphone connected. Touchscreen infotainment system, a digital control panel for temperature and lighting adjustments. An off-grid option is a solar panel. Off-grid features: solar panel option for the roof, an extra battery to provide electricity. Tanks for water and clean water. In summary, for those seeking a small, effective, and adaptable campervan, the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome appears to be a desirable choice.